So I've had a bunch of people ask me about this, and I figured we'll start here. This is the old mount, the big bulky thing that you're going to want to get rid of first. There's a pin right here, and that's the same pin, and you just use a bolt and a hammer and you knock that pin out, which leaves you with this piece right here, which is the original part of the trolling motor. And then you just have to build a metal thing that's going to allow the motor to lift up in that space. And then I have another bolt right here that's keeping it at the right angle when it drops. So basically, the key to making a custom trolling motor mount is this piece right here in this pin. It will fit in 2.5 or 2-inch stock C-channel. If it's 2-inch, you got to shave this part down here on the plastic a little bit to make it fit. And you can use washers to cover the space if you have a little bit of wiggle this way. But as you can see, this one's super tight. It's in there really nice. And the whole motor just lifts and goes. And then up here a little bit, let's see if I get this camera pointed up. I just have this little pipe fitting clamps, and I got these at a Menards, and basically you're using one as a steering arm and the other one as a lift arm, and my rope just comes up and wraps around like this. So when the motor gets pulled, it goes, but when it falls down, this can slide on this arm if it needs to create room for turning radius. You know, that's probably the basics of like how I got started, is understanding that you need this to be able to rotate in a sleeve that's also hinged. And the Minn Kota and Motor Guide trolling motors are set up this way. So you can just pop the pin out of either one of them and use them. I've used both. I would imagine even a Newport vessel would work, but I've never had the chance to work with one. I'll make a few more videos along the way to kind of show how I did some of the other parts of this, but for now, this is the hinge. And until you understand the hinge, all the wiring and steering and all of that stuff doesn't really matter. Thanks for watching.